So it's my pleasure to be here with you together with my local co-chair, Professor Hermann Einsele, and Professor Hermann Einsele and Professor Hartmut Goldschmidt and Roman Haig and myself were the local organizers, or are the local organizers of these 18 international multiple myeloma workshops. So we are very pleased that the workshop really takes place, and that it is an in-person meeting, and because of the COVID pandemic, we still had to organize it as a hybrid meeting. We will have about 3,000 people watching the discussions and the presentations virtually. But what is important for this meeting is that we took an important decision, I think, to come here. We don't want to obey to the COVID pandemic. I think we need to set a strong sign, a signal that life is going on and that we have to come together, because it makes a big difference just to watch a presentation online, or to have the opportunity to discuss with your friends and colleagues certain issues which you cannot do online in 2 minutes. So that is one of the major benefits. And of course, in the myeloma community, I think working together is an imperative in these days, and meeting each other supports the cooperation and facilitates this process.
Yeah, I think the personal meeting is so important, and also for the young scientists, for the young clinicians, to meet the big guys in myeloma personally is so stimulating, so motivating, and I think this is one of the big reasons why we decided to have this as a hybrid meeting.